Hi, welcome to Conquer the Concept. In this video, we'll be talking about arithmetic sequences. The standard form of an arithmetic sequence is a, a plus d, a plus 2d, and a plus 3d, and then so on. A represents the first term of the arithmetic sequence, and d represents the common difference, or the difference between the second and the first term. To find the nth number, you would add the first number to the number you're trying to find out minus 1 times d. So this formula will get you the nth number, or any number you're trying to find. So in a later video, we'll be discussing about geometric sequences, which are associated with multiplication, but these arithmetic sequences are more associated with addition. To find the sum of a arithmetic sequence, you would multiply the number of numbers by the average. You can find the number of numbers by subtracting the highest number and the lowest number divided by the number of jumps plus 1. So, for example, if you had, what's the sum of the what is the sum of the multiples of 3 under 100? Then you would do the highest multiple of 3 under 100, which is 99, minus the lowest multiple of 3, which is 33. So that would be 96. And then you would divide it by the number of jumps. Each jump is 3, right? So jumps meaning how many places do you have to skip to go from this number to the next number. And it's 3. So because you're 96 minus 3 is 3. So 96 divided by the jump, which is 3, is 92, and you would just add 1. So that would be the 33. So there are 33 numbers. 33. So there are 33 numbers from 33 multiples of 3 under 100. And then you would multiply 33 times the average of the arithmetic sequence. So you find the average by adding the highest and the lowest and then dividing by 2. So the highest is 99 plus the lowest is 3. So that's 102, and then you would divide it by 2. So that's just 51. So if we can multiply these now. So 51 times 33. So you would do 3, 15, and then and you would just do 3 and then another 15. Did that wrong. So you would add a 0 here, then 3, and then 15 plus, and then you would do 3, 8, 6, 1. So that is the sum of the multiples of 3 under 100. Now we can do some examples of arithmetic sequences. Some examples are the multiples of 3 under 100, as we did, and like the multiples of 5. So let's do a practice problem. The problem states, what is the sum of the arithmetic sequence where the first term is 5, the third term is 11, and there are a total of 10 terms. And the second part is asking, what is the 10th term? So we can find the common difference first. So let's just remember our standard form, a plus d, and then a plus 2d. So it states our first term is 5, so a is equal to 5. And it says the third term is 11. So the a is our first term, a plus d is our second term, and a plus 2d is our third term. So 5 plus 2d is equal to 11. 2d is equal to 6, and then d is equal to 3. So we found out what our a and d are. Now we can find the sum by just multiplying the number of numbers times the average. So we know how many numbers there are. It states that there are 10 numbers, so we multiply 10 by the average. So the average is the highest plus the lowest divided by 2. So our lowest is 5, and then our highest we have to still find out, divided by 2. So we can find the highest. The highest is equal to the 10th number because there are 10 numbers. So the 10th number, 10th is equal to 5 plus 10 minus 1 from our formula times d, which is in this case 3. Yeah. So 5 plus 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. So the 10th number is equal to 32. So we answered actually our second part while solving the first part. So now we can just plug this into the equation. High, the 32 is our highest, plus the lowest is the 5. So, and then this divided by 2. So this is equal to 37 over 2. And then this is equal to 18.5. So that's the sum. Oh, that's the average. Sorry, my bad. So that's the average, and then we would multiply 18.5 times the number of numbers. So 18.5, and then there are a total of 10 numbers, times 10. So we can just do that. If you know the trick, you can do that, but I'm doing it the long way. 18.5 times 10. So this is 0, 0, 0. And then you would add a 0 here, and then times 10. Okay, so then that's 5, 8, and 1. And then we can just do 1850.0. So our sum is equal to 185. Okay, if you learn from this video, please subscribe to Conquer the Concept and like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns or just would like to reach out. Thank you for watching.